So you're going to use Zoom for your lessons. Great. You're going to have to adjust a few things. Your settings, you're going to look for the little click wheel, click on it, and you're going to go to, I'm going to fix my audio first. So I click on audio, and I'm going to go and make sure that my speaker and my microphone, those two things are going to be set from the speaker to go to your Yeti. So you'd click Yeti, and then you'd also, your microphone, you'd click Yeti. I'm using a different device, but it's still the same thing. And normally this thing is on, this automatically adjust microphone volume, which does weird stuff. Like it's always like if there's no noise in the room, it kind of lowers your volume, but then when you start talking, it starts cranking it up. And so sometimes it's chopping things off. Turn that off and just leave it up because you'll control that volume actually on your Yeti. Okay, and then once you've done that, so this is, it'll say Yeti for you, Yeti here. If you're a teacher and you're using the Zoom, then you click make sure that you do H6, and then come down to advanced. You'll find somewhere that says advanced. It doesn't do really well with dynamics. It'll chop some stuff off. So you're going to come to this section, audio processing, and where it says suppress background noise, you're going to disable it. I've already disabled it. Yours probably says auto. Hit disable there, and then this suppress, also hit disable. And I have this on. You can try that, see if that works for you, showing in meeting. And that should be up and running. Like as soon as you just hit back, it's fine. If you switch computers, you will have to go into that Zoom and change stuff. And then for video, I have, it says what camera you're using. I'm using my webcam, or I can go and switch to my other camera right here. So if I go and I make a new meeting, I'm in here. As soon as you're in here, make sure that you hit join with computer audio. You can also test if you want to. I'm just going to hit join. And right now, I have this automatically set for mute. So I can go and hit the little caret, the little arrow. And I make sure it says H6, it says H6, and I'm good to go. And then I'll just hit unmute, and then the student will hear me when I'm talking, doing the lesson. If I want to quickly go between the two cameras, it's a lot easier in here. Where is it at? So don't hit stop video. Make sure that you hit the little arrow, and then you just kind of switch. And there's shortcut keys in here that you can figure out, but I mean, it's not that big of a deal to grab the mouse and just constantly switch back and forth. So that's something that you can use in your lessons, and let me know if you have questions.